Hello and welcome back to Xirosoft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add priority to task in Asana. So let's have a look now. Open Asana and navigate to the project or task list containing the task you want to prioritize. Click on the task. This will open the task details. In the task details, find the priority field. Now click here. Within this field, you can use labels such as high, medium, low, or numerical values to represent priorities. For instance, 1 for high priority, 2 for medium, and 3 for low. Apply the priority label or value to each task by selecting the appropriate priority label. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Xirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.